This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, close all background apps and temporarily disable Bluetooth because interference adds latency. Once done, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or plug into Ethernet for stable throughput. Make sure Bgmi and your device OS are updated, then clear the game cache to remove corrupt data. Restart the router and your phone in sequence, because fresh network sessions cut packet loss. These quick actions reduce jitter immediately and give you a clean baseline to test ping and frame stability. You now tune both Bgmi and the network to reduce lag. Inside the game, drop visuals to smooth and match the frame rate to what your device can sustain. This lowers CPU/GPU spikes. Then stop background sync and app auto updates so uploads or downloads don't steal bandwidth. On the router, enable quality of service and prioritize your device. If possible, assign a static IP. Finally, change DNS to a fast resolver like 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8 to speed hostname lookups and reduce connect delays. You finish by verifying performance and applying network-level fixes. Run a ping and a simple speed test to the nearest game server. Target under 100 ms on mobile for acceptable play. Update your router firmware, and if needed, forward the Bgmi ports to your device to avoid NAT issues. Once done, test a match and watch for packet loss. If lag persists, switch to a different network or contact your ISP with logs. That single troubleshooting step often reveals routing problems outside your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.